renge kyo, renge kyo namyo, 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 renge kyo namyo. Renge kyo namyo, 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 Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo, Namyo Renge Kyo. Okay, friends. Always we have. So, children, today there will be CAAG reading. I had already given you CAAG. Now I will call the different persons from different group, and they will come with their copy. And what they have written, they have to read in systematic order, because you have to be smart in reading, writing, listening, and speaking in all areas of learning, right? Okay, so our chapter was simple machine. Yes or no? So first, who is ready? Once read, please come here. Because I think if it is done with interest, that's better, right? So in this book, anybody wants to come? Bring your copy and come here. Come with your copy. Yeah, you can take this podium also. Podium we can keep at the center, right? Bring that podium. Okay. Yeah. So at first, you give the introduction. Which group are you in? And from after this group, will you belong to Newton?
Yeah.
No. After Newton, which group is that? Einstein. Will ready. Next one, Tesla. Will ready. And this one, Edison. Also be ready. That one. At least 5 students they have to play. Right? Please.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. Respected our science teacher and my dear friend. Today I am here to read the CAAG which was given our subject teachers. Now I am going to read the CAAG of simple machine, chapter simple machine, and first one is simple machine. What is simple machine? The tools are simple device which is used to do or to make our work easier, faster, and more convenient. Convenient are called simple machine, and some purpose of using simple machine are used to make our work easier in the following ways. They help us to multiply force. They helps to change the direction of the force, and they helps to do work safely. And the difference between perfect machine and practical machine. And perfect machine, it efficiency is 100%, and practical machine its efficiency is less than 100%. And next point is it is imaginary machine. And next point about practical machine is it is the practical machine which really exists. And now relation between MAVR and efficiency, and we have an efficiency equal to output work by input work into 100%, and again efficiency equal to work done by load divided by work done by effort in time 100%. And from there we got efficiency equal to L into LD by E into ET into 100%. And again efficiency equal to L by E into L by E by LD into 100%. And from here we got MA by BR into 100%, and again MA equal to L by E and BR equal to ED by LD. And the next question, method of reducing friction. And the method of reduction friction are by using lubricant like oil, gas, etc., and by using bell bearing wheels and rollers, and by making the sliding surface smooth, and by rolling the instead of sliding. And the next machine there is pulley. And a pulley is a metallic or wooden disc with a chrome rim, and it can be classified as a single fixed pulley, and single movable pulley, and block and tackle pulley. And here is numerical problems about pulley. And next one is inclined plane. Inclined plane, a slanted surface is called an inclined plane. And the numerical problem, yeah, about pulley, a load of 650 Newton is lifted, 5 pulley and system up to 4 meter by applying the effort. Then here given load is given, load distance is given, and the number of pulley there is given 5, and we can calculate this easy. And next one is woolen axle. Woolen axle consist of coaxial cylindrical of different diameters, and here also given numericals. Then thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dipak. So Dipak has done this CAG work. Now let's welcome one member from Einstein. Einstein wants to come here. Einstein. Okay. Nistara Shahi is coming.
Nine, as you all know. Uh, sir has given us the CAG work, and the chapter name was Simple Machine, chapter 8, and I have written some notes of importance points. Simple machine. The tools or simple device which are used to make our work easier, faster, and more convenient are called simple machine. The machines do not. The simple machine do not perform our work themselves, but we have to apply force on them to do work. Yeah, they help us to multiply force. They help to change the direction of force and do work safely. Some terms like effort, load distance, effort distance, work output, work input, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and efficiency are used frequently in simple machine. MR MA stand for mechanical advance. The ratio of load or to the ratio of the load to the effort is a simple machine is called mechanical advance or actual mechanical advance. Stand for AMA of that machine. The formula to calculate MA is L upon E. L is load and E is effort. Method of reducing the friction by using lubricant like oil, grease, etc. By using ball, bearing wheel and roller, by making the slide surface smooth by rolling instead of sliding. Wear of a Wear of a machine is not affected by friction because it is the ratio of two distance, and MA of a machine is affected by the friction because it is the ratio of forces. Different between perfect machine and practical machine. Those machines which are frictionless are called perfect machines, and practical machines are those machines which are affected by friction is called practical machines. Perfect machine have 100% efficiency, but practical machine does not do may not have 100% efficiency. Perfect machines are imaginary machines, and practical machines are practical or physical presence machines. Pulley. A pulley is a metallic or wooden disc with a grooved rim. The rim rotates about a horizontal axis passing through its center. There are three types of pulley. There are single fixed pulley, single movable pulley, block and tackle pulley. A single fixed pulley makes our work easier by changing the direction of force only. It does not gain any mechanical advantage because the value of effort distance and load distance are always equal. The formula to calculate a velocity ratio in pulley is number of pulley or number of rope segment that support the loads. And inclined plane, a slanted surface is called an inclined plane. It is used to lift a heavy load by applying less effort. Winding a road on a hill, an inclined block used for loading into a truck, staircases, etc. are some example of this type of pulley. And relation between MAVR and N is N. Eta stand for efficiency. Eta is equals output work upon input work into 100%. Eta is equals work done by load work upon work done by effort into 100%. And eta is equals L into LD upon E into ED into 100%. Eta is equals MA upon BR into 100%. The relation so that the efficiency is the ratio of mechanical advance to ratio in a percentage. Thank you and have a good day.
In mind, children, when is your second evaluation test? From next Wednesday, right? Yes or no? So today is Friday, tomorrow is holiday Saturday. So on Sunday, you have to present what you have practiced at home. That is your duty. Understood or not? And you have to send that photo, no slide. Use whatever you have practiced, you write down date and send it in email. I will call you, you have to read and explain. Understood or not? Because we have to find out that technique. Everybody will get that chance, not only one. Not only Einstein, not only Newton, not only Edison, not only Tesla, not only what is this group? Hawkins. So every member of each group must, you should not make slide. Got the idea what to do? If you are able to make that in CAM scanner, that is the best one. Because CAM scanner, do you have knowledge how to make CAM scanner? No idea. You know how to make photo? Yeah. Click photo, and you might have maybe two pictures, three pictures, paper pictures. How many are there? And send individually. It's everybody. Understood or not? So you have to present here what you have practiced, because exam time, how you do it, that is very essential, and it is helpful to others also. Thank you very much, Nistara. So Nistara has made much more better CAG. But my suggestion is, when you present here, just look at the copy and express your saying by looking your friends. Oh, this is the matter. Understood or not? But if it is presented over there, I think it's better. So just you look at there and explain. So once a week we have to adopt this system also. What I have practiced during my vacation. Understood or not? So exam time you have to be prepared for those what to say, MCQ, very short questions, long questions, short questions. You make pattern and practice accordingly. Is that clear? So I will check your copy today so that there won't be your tick mark in your copy, because you will be practicing tomorrow only, right? Give her a big round of applause, Miss Tara, right? And now let me welcome next candidate from Tesla, Anmol Adhikari. Okay, Anmol is coming here.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our respected science teacher, my dear friends. It's me Anmol Adhikari standing here to discuss about the CAG question which was given us yesterday, and the questions are given below. Explain simple machine. The tool or simple devices which are used to make our work easier, faster and more convenient are called simple machine. The simple machine do not perform our work themselves, but we need them to perform our work. We have to apply some force to them and to do work. Simple machine make our work easier in different way. Like there are some example of simple machine: pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, and there are some more example of simple machine. And likewise, second question is, why are simple machine used? The main purpose of using simple machine is to do work easier, faster and more convenient. Simple machines are used to make our work easier in the following ways. They help to multiply force, they help to change the direction of force, they help to transfer force from one point to another, they help to increase the rate of doing work, they help to do our work safely. Likewise, MA, VR, and ETA means efficiency. So we should describe them. The ratio of the load to the effort in a simple machine is called mechanical advantage, or actual mechanical advantage of the machine. Velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is a ratio of the velocity of effort applied in the machine to the velocity of the load overcome by it. Thus, velocity ratio of a simple machine is the ratio of distance traveled by the effort to the ratio of distance traveled by the load in that machine. As velocity ratio is a simple ratio of two distances, it does not have any unit. Velocity ratio is also termed as idle machine advantage because friction is not involved in it. Efficiency. The efficiency of a machine is defined as the ratio of useful work done by it to the total work into the machine. Therefore, efficiency is equal to output work by input work into 100%, uh, L into LD by E into ED into 100%. Efficiency is expressed in percentage. It is ratio of two pieces of work. Relationship between MABR and efficiency. Efficiency is equal to output work by input work into 100%. Work done by load. Work done by load. Work done by effort. And L into LD. L into LD into E into ED by 100%. And L by E into 1 by ED into LD into 100%. L by E into 1 by ED into 100% by MA into 100% is the relation between efficiency, mechanical advantage, and velocity ratio. What are the methods of reducing friction? By using lubricants, oil, grease, by using ball bearings, by rolling instead of sliding. Difference between perfect machine and practical machine. It efficiency is 100%. Its efficiency is less than 100%. Pulley. A pulley is a metallic or wooden disc with a groove rim. Types of pulleys: single fixed pulley, single movable pulley, and block and tackle. Likewise, a slanted surface is an inclined plane and it is used to lift heavy load by applying less effort. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consists of two coaxial cylinders of different diameters in which wheel and axle usually effort is applied on the big cylinder called wheel and load is overcome by the small cylinder called axle. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. That's why we were not able to present over there in the whiteboard. Whiteboard means smart board. From next time onward, there will be presentation. Is that clear? Right? Now let's welcome from Edison, Deshara Bhandai.
No. Namaskar and very warm good morning to our respected science teacher and my dear friends. As usual, it's me, Deshara Bhandari from grade 9, group Thomas Alva edition. And today I am going to discuss about the CAAG questions which was given yesterday. And the first question is, what is simple machine? The tools are a machine device which are used to make our work easier and faster and more convenient are known as a simple machine, and it has a different purposes like it helps to multiply the force, it helps to do the work safely, it also helps to increase the rate of doing work and helps to change the direction of the force. And another is what is mechanical advantages. The ratio of a load to the effort in a simple machine is known as a mechanical advantages MA, and another is velocity ratio VR. It is the ratio of a velocity of effort applied in a machine to the velocity of a load overcome by it, and its formula is effort distance by load distance. And another is efficiency. The ratio of a useful work done by the machine to the total work output in a machine is known as efficiency. And there is a difference between physical, practical and perfect machine. Practical machines are the real machines which are affected by the which are actuated by the friction and have 100% efficiency. And perfect machines are the imaginary machines which are affected by the frictions having 100% efficiency. Another is method to reduce the friction, and we can, by using the lubricants like oil, grease, etc. By using a ball bearing wheel and rollers, we can also use the sliding surface smoothly. And another is pulley. It is a metallic or a wooden disc with a grooved rim. And another is inclined plane. A slanted surface is known as an inclined plane. And last is wheel and axle. Effort is applied on the big cylinder called the wheel, and the load is overcome by the cylinder. Small cylinder is called axles, and its formula is big R, capital R by small r. And thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, Deshara. It's from Edison, Thomas Alva Edison, right? Okay, now finally, let's welcome on the stage the last presenter from today. He is none other than Tejas Kumar Babu. Give him a big round of applause.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected teacher and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Tejas Kumar Babu standing in front of you to present on topic about CAAG work of simple machine. Simple machine. The tools or simple devices which are used to make our work easier, faster and more convenient are called simple machines. Purposes of simple machines are: they help to multiply force, they help to change the direction of force, they help to do work safely. Mechanical advantages: the ratio of the load to the effort in a simple machine is called MA, or actual mechanical advantages of that machine. The formula to calculate MA is load by effort. VR, velocity ratio of a machine is the ratio of velocity of effort applied in the machine to the velocity of load overcome by it. The formula to calculate VR is ED by LD, effort distance by load distance. Efficiency. The efficiency of a simple machine is defined as the ratio of useful work done by machine to the total work put into the machine. The formula to calculate efficiency is MA by The formula to calculate efficiency is output work by input work into 100%. The relationship between MA, VR and is efficiency equals to MA by VR into 100%. Method of reducing friction are by using lubricants like oil and grease, by using ball bearing wheel and rollers, by making the sliding surface smooth, by rolling instead of sliding. Difference between practical and ideal machine are: practical machines are not practical machines are affected by friction. Ideal machines aren't affected by frictions. Practical machines aren't 100% efficient. Ideal machines are 100% efficient. Practical Practical machines exist while ideal machines do not exist. Pulley. A pulley is a metallic or wooden disc with an grooved rim. There are three types of pulley: fixed pulley, movable pulley, and block and tackle pulley. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a slanted surface which is used to lift a heavy load by applying less effort. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consist of two collegial cylinders of different diameters. In wheel and axle, usually effort is applied on the big cylinder called wheel, and load is overcome by the small cylinder called axle. By saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
All right. So, actually, this is the way to enhance your confidence as well. Understood or not? Right? So, children, what did I say you? Now, every Sunday there should be your presentation of practice. What did you practice on your holiday? Actually, Saturday is holiday. Yes or no? So that practice thing, you have to make photo. No need to make that slide. Just make photo because that will be written one, isn't it? So there may be 3 photos, 4 photos, 5 photos, whatever you have practiced. Everything you have to mark it. You have to write the date, and then send in the same email. What is the email? Exam Anupam 1995 at the rate gmail.com. When you send an email, then I will download, then you will be observing here and explaining. That will be more systematic, right? So we'll start from tomorrow. So your exam is in coming week from Wednesday, right? Wednesday. I don't know your exam is on Wednesday or Thursday. So you must practice a lot every week. So those who practice regularly, they can achieve the goal. Yes or no? Okay. Now this is the time to practice, read and revise. And daytime we will go for our science exhibition. Is that okay? Thank you.